Vermont. In the fall. Like many, this has been on our bucket list to see for ourselves for a long time. As the summer of 2024 drew to a close, I received an incredible birthday gift, a Ruko camera drone. I got practice flying it, and I got a lot of practice crashing it. I was able to get the drone put back together, and I decided, on our next trip, I'm going to get some epic drone footage. I started practicing my camera skills, taking video of basically everything, and learning about things like aperture and shutter speed, and what even is an ND filter, and preparing for our next trip, Vermont, in the fall. And better yet, it seemed like we were going to be there in peak foliage season. And with all this sweet drone footage, I'm going to start a YouTube channel. The weather was going to be perfect, sunny, and unusually warm for this time of year. So we loaded up the dogs, got in the truck, and headed out to Vermont. And as we drove north, our friends went here, Green Valley Farms, which is not too far from our house. So, as they sent us pictures of them having a good time, enjoying the beautiful weather and warm temperatures, we were driving in freezing rain, which followed us from the New York-New Jersey border all the way to Grand Isle on the Vermont-Canadian border. My wife was a good sport about the whole thing, which I'm truly grateful for. But my dog, she looked at me like she will never forgive me for the rest of her life for this experience. It's amazing how it could be so warm and sunny in New Jersey, but so cold and wet where we were, just a few hours away. The relentless rain meant I was unable to fly the drone. No epic drone shots, no YouTube video. But as we drove closer to home, the rain started to lighten up, and I was able to snap a few pictures and stop at a local coffee shop. Our trip to Vermont didn't go as planned, but we will go back and try again. To join us for that and other adventures, please like this video and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.